Hey, I'm getting ready to pack up to head on back to Maui. Mother's been good to me, but it's time to say goodbye. And as I'm packing up, I almost forgot this stuff here. Yes, this is my little secret weapon. I've been a contractor in the building trade for over 30 years. And one thing I like to do is keep my hands moist so I don't have hard, cracked hands. I don't even have any calluses. I don't even look, my hands don't even look like I was a contractor of any means. And I just started using this stuff. And for anybody out there, you might want to get some of this. Sophic Sage, hard-working hands. And it's actually smells kind of good too. But it keeps my hands moist. You know, you could do that with other things too. And here's one tip that, like, if I do concrete work, even if I wear gloves, and I don't do that very often, mind you, but you know how your hands get really dry, or if you're using grout, cleaning off grout, laying concrete, floors, sidewalks, whatever, you put something on your hands. And sometimes if I just have some butter, I'll take some butter and I'll put that on my hands and just let it soak in, kind of wipe my hands off, but kind of leave them greasy. Or I can take vegetable oil on them, anything like that, to soften them back up so I don't get cracked calluses here and that. If you've got a man at home, let him know on how to keep his hands nice and baby smooth. That's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.